Morning and welcome to another info session by Cernal Chemicals, or as you know it by now, Speaker Bietjie Soaps. Once again, it's myself, Stefan. Grote here to my right. Grote, how are you?
Good and self, Stefan.
Yeah.
Lekker.
Almost Friday, can't complain. Almost as good as Steadypine.
Yeah. So Steadypine, lovely product, Stefan. It's a perfumed liquid disinfectant. So Steadypine, you can use it to clean walls, toilets, floors, etc. What's good, it leaves a nice perfume smell or fresh fragrance smell after cleaning. It kills bacteria that causes a smell. So yeah, like a very easy product to use as well. You use 5 to 10 ml, depending on, let's say, heavy duty cleaning, 10 ml on a liter of water. Yeah, just put it in the water and then you can mop or clean whatever you have to do then.
I honestly wish that we could smell on a video.
Yes.
Because I think if the person watching this videos could smell the product, it would immediately be a game changer for them. I mean, this is honestly, when it comes to bathrooms, not only bathrooms, but it leaves an awesome smell. It smells clean, it smells disinfectant. It's actually, if it comes to smell, I would say this is one of our leading products.
Definitely. A lot of people tend to use, always just use Pine Gel for the smell. And I would say this beats Pine Gel by far.
Yeah. I would agree.
So yes.
And then it's available, Daniel, in 5 liters 25, also bulk, as with
Yes,
all the products.
200 liters to 1000 liters.
And then you also mentioned on the Steadypine we offer a COC.
Yeah, so
explain COC.
So COC is basically customer and container, we call it. So what you do is you bring your container, your empty container from 5 liter, or let's say from 1 liter up to a 25 liter, or even if you bring a 200 liter drum, and we refill it. And that makes a big difference in price.
Yeah,
if we just charge you for the refill.
Yeah.
Then we just charge you for the product and not the container.
That's amazing. That's amazing. When it comes to safety precautions, I know this is a
non-corrosive product.
Yes.
But if you have maybe sensitive skin or so, I would say don't get it on your skin. But yeah, it's a non-corrosive product. You don't have to stress if it gets on your skin or anything.
Okay. And please don't drink it. Please don't drink it. We are going to a demonstration video. The demonstration we did is awesome video where you see the effects of Steadypine in the grout of a shower. Normally on a high traffic shower you get that almost like a black mold on the grout of the tiles. This is a awesome disinfectant for that mold. It doesn't clean it or only clean it. It disinfects and keep the mold away for a long period of time. So watch the video, and as always, please remember all the cleaning equipment that goes with the products is also available at Cernal. We also have, I think, Daniel, if it comes to your larger equipment, we normally talk about brooms and mops and stuff, but you know, buckets, the larger stuff, your buckets, your mop
trolleys we have as well, all that stuff.
Yes. So watch the video. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact either myself or Grote here to my right. We will be happy to assist you as far as you can. That's the Pine of the Steady.
Cernal Chemicals, kitchen laundry house. Cernal Chemicals, chemicals you can trust.